these out. These are the latest, the aftershock. So this one's bad boy out on the reel. That's brand new. That gold finish. Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Check these out. These are the latest and greatest from TREMOR Wheels. So this one's the 103, the aftershock. So this one's available in a 17 by 8.5, 0 offset, 6 on 139.7, 106 center bore. So these are fitted just for Toyota vehicles, Lexus GX, Tacomas, and many more like Chevy Silverado vehicles. Part number whenever you shop on our website is 103-785-830GB. So let's check this bad boy out in the reel. You guys can comment below what you guys think about this wheel and let me know. Brand new. So I love the way they package this. So they could put a foam on the front with the lip protector, and then they have this clear protective wrap. Check this guy out. It's a really nice looking wheel. So this is their gold finish. So nice gold, has a recessed TREMOR logo on one of the corners, and then the pop-in center cap. Get this right. And then nice simulated V-lock, black bolt around it. We'll take conical C lug nuts. Cool TPMS sensors will just bolt right on, your factory ones or any aftermarket ones. And then nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spoke wheel. And nice, it has this indentions on the inside to give it a nice flair to it. So if you guys are looking for something like this or anything else, feel free, just give us a shout, email us, call us, and we'll be able to help you out. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this wheel and many more that we sell in Tires Wheels Direct.